How's it going? We're here for day 4 of Fergal's Tuna Day. Today I'm joined by Riona. We're in Minute. Yes. Riona is my niece. I'm very happy that you've got the fiddle in your hand. Riona's also a wonderful piano player. You might play a bit of piano at some stage, yeah? Maybe we might do another little video with some piano. Yeah. What tune are we playing today?
We're playing Knock on Temple, or in English, Temple Hill.
Temple Hill. Lovely. We're still recording. 1, 2, 3. Lovely. Thanks, Riona.
No problem.
See you.
Bye.
See you tomorrow for day 5.
Bye.
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 See you now. Bye now.
See ya.
Bye now.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Good luck now.
Bye.